Prolink Metal Foshan Company Limited, a manufacturing and trading combo which could provide one-stop source service for an extensive range of trims, transitions, movement joints, and edge protection for tilling and flooring industries. With years development, Prolink offers all-in-one stop producing line from mold design, profile extrusion, machining, surface finish, to packaging and cargo loading. Prolink owns 500 different shapes of aluminum molds and supports OEM and ODM. Any of your idea for profiles could be turned into real products. In order to meet different requests for decoration styles, Prolink provide various surface finish, such as polish, anodized, powder coating, and wood grain. Prolink offers many different machining, like punching, cutting, drilling, and customized packaging service. For example, labeling, protective film, carton packing, tube packing, wooden case packing. With purpose of for better edge solution, Prolink creates a brand called Decor Trim and has been always focusing on the market of all kinds of trim profiles, which are made of aluminum, but also stainless steel, PVC, and other materials. Research and development has become our routine job for the changing market. Our products are popular all over the world, such as Middle East of Asia, Southeast Asia, Canada, South America, Middle Africa, Western and Eastern Europe. We are proud of being reliable partners of brand owners, wholesalers, and retailers.